Hey guys, this is me, Future Boy, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you best entertainment things. Okay, in Python, how we open a YouTube channel, Google, and a Facebook with Python. Yeah, guys, this is very best program you ever created. Okay, means in two lines, this is 2 lines of code. You automate your YouTube channel, you automate your browser. Okay, how we do this? You see this, there is 2 lines of code, or this is to import. I import a library. Okay, so how? First of all, I see you how this is happening in my Google Chrome. There is not opening my YouTube channel. This is Udemy, and this is pandas, means Jupyter notebook. There is not opening a YouTube. Now I will run this program, and he was automatic open my YouTube channel. Okay, I run this with F5, and he was running. And now guys, you will see that this was automatic loading, and he was searching on my YouTube channel, and then you will see this, boom, this was opening my YouTube channel. Yeah, Future Boy, the best way to predict a future is just created. Oh my goodness, this is opening my YouTube channel. Whatever you want, like I am going want to opening a google.com, so I am copy it, and now again I run this. I'm nothing doing, I'm nothing here, also pasting a google.com. Now again run this program, and he was opening a Google. Now you see this is automatic open a Google. So how we do this? Can we create it? Yes, we can create it. So how? So first of all, guys, please subscribe our channel for more tutorials like machine learning, OpenCV, deep learning, and Python, and many others. Okay, so please subscribe for more tutorials, and you can subscribe, then you have go on any video I will upload, then you have go on notification. So please subscribe. So first of all, what I can what I library importing, and what I can do in this program. So first of all, I remove all things, and for this was clean, and now importing 2 libraries. First is import web browser. Okay, WEB BRO web browser. What is web browser? Web browser is automating. Okay, go on CMD and type pip. Okay, why this is not on? Okay, pip install web browser, and I will already install it, so I skip it. And another is, or this is I also teach in previous video, import Paperclip. What is Paperclip? First of all, I'll say you how we install it. Go on CMD, type pip. Okay, sorry, pip install Paperclip. Okay, so I also skip it. I also install it. So I already installed it. So what is Paperclip? Paperclip is a module who copy and paste in your text. Like you want to, like I copy this text. Okay, I want to copy this text. Okay, copy this. Yeah, I want to paste this text in my Python program. So I will only copy it. Okay, and how we paste it in a Python program? Just I type Piper clip dot paste. Okay, and now what he was doing? He was doing in your system, anything is copy. He was any text in your system, any text in a copy, you copy, he was pasting in Python program. Okay, so this is was a simple word. Paperclip is copy and paste module. Okay, now how we do this? First of all, we create a variable name is whatever you want to give a name. So I give a name is link equal to Piper clip dot paste. Okay, so paste it. Now you type this Piper clip dot paste, and another is simple. This is not, this is one line code. Another is printing function. So print web, this is short video. Okay, web web browser. You know that this is automatic your full web browsing, Chrome, Internet Explorer, whatever your default browser. Okay, so web browser dot open, open, and what is open a link. So what the heck is this? So first of all, link equal to paperclip dot paste, means in link variable there is paperclip module who is paperclip dot paste, means I copy my YouTube channel link, like I am going to google.com, and then I copy this link, copy it with this control C or copy, and then I cut it, and then I run this program. Then he was automatic, this module is pasting google.com, and he was sending here. and he was sending here means web browser dot a link is opening a google.com. okay, this was happening in link. So in link variable is paperclip dot paste, and in paperclip dot paste a link is google.com, and whatever what the is doing a print function, this print function is doing a web browser dot open, means web browser module is opening a google.com, means I type not a google.com base, I type here only link. So what is doing web browser dot open, web browser is opening a link, and in link is paperclip dot module paperclip dot paste, and in paperclip paste is a link who I copy in my system. okay, so how it is, this is over, this is two line program, this is one line program guys. okay, so I copy a google.com link again, google.com or youtube.com. okay, youtube.com, I copy it and I cut it from here. Now here not opening any youtube tab. Now I run this program with F5. Your run is also here, run module, and he was running. okay, and now guys, okay guys, this is happening, this is open a youtube. okay, you see this is mind-blowing, outstanding. okay, and now I want to open a facebook.com. so facebook, copy it, cut a tab, here is not opening any facebook tab. Now close this cell, and now again with F5, run with F5, and now again he was happening, he was opening a facebook.com. guys, this is mind-blowing, outstanding. You will see this facebook.com like login or sign up. So you see this that guys, this is very most you shock your friend with this program. okay, so thanks for watching guys. You see this facebook is open. So thanks for watching guys, please subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel for more this type of videos, and like coming videos many others like many others videos, OpenCV, face recognition system, and many others, machine learning, deep learning, and AI and Python, many projects. So please subscribe our channel for more tutorial guys, please. And thanks for watching guys, please subscribe. And this two lines code also I will giving in link in description with github, my github account. Go on link in the description, go on this link and you get this code. okay, this is 4 lines of code, you get this. I know that you also write this, but I'm giving you don't understood, then you understood, because where I give a full description. okay, like this is the link, so what he is in. okay, so thanks for watching guys, please subscribe and have a nice day. Please subscribe, have a nice